Hi, everyone. My name is Jillian Shear, and I am an assistant professor in the Department of Psychology at Syracuse University. And I am excited to talk to you today about our study that I conducted with several colleagues on experience sampling methods among sexual minority women. This study is called I Know Myself Again, which makes me more motivated for life, feasibility and acceptability of using experience sampling methods with trauma-exposed sexual minority women. We know that intensive longitudinal designs, such as experience sampling methods or ESM, hold promise for examining the dynamic interplay between daily adversity, coping strategies, and behavioral and mental health issues among marginalized populations. However, in addition to participant burden in daily diary designs or ESM designs with general populations, trauma-exposed sexual minority women may also experience unique barriers to participating in this type of research. For example, compared to heterosexual women, sexual minority women as members of a marginalized group may be more challenging to retain in longitudinal studies due to the stress of being asked to reveal their stigmatized identity or living in regions with high structural stigma. But few studies have used experience sampling methods with sexual minority women, which is an understudied population in general that is at risk for adversity and poor health. These findings could inform modifications to future ESM protocols, such as the duration of the study, types of survey questions that are asked, to improve their overall feasibility and acceptability among trauma-exposed sexual minority women. And so we sought to assess the feasibility and acceptability of using once daily interval contingent ecological momentary assessment methods with 161 trauma-exposed sexual minority women. The average age was about 29, about 20% identified as gender non-binary, about 32% identified as queer. Over half the sample was people of color, and 14% identified as low income, earning less than $10,000 per year, and 30% came from the Southern United States. And in this study, sexual minority women completed one comprehensive online baseline assessment and once daily brief online assessments for 14 days. And these daily surveys assessed past 24-hour stressors, stress responses, and overall health symptoms. And at the end of the 14-day daily diary period, sexual minority women answered 3 open-ended questions about participating in this study and about research with sexual minority women in general. Regarding feasibility, 151 participants, or 94%, initiated the post-baseline daily diary portion. 130, or 81%, were retained through day 14. And 72, or 45%, completed all 14 daily surveys. And the daily completion level was associated with race and ethnicity and US region. And our qualitative data regarding the acceptability revealed 7 themes, including that sexual minority women enjoyed participating and felt positively about the daily diary experience. They felt supported to reflect on the impact of early and ongoing stressors. They appreciated the chance to self-reflect and challenge existing thought patterns and coping behaviors. They recognized the capacity to tolerate trauma-related distress. They recommended that researchers focus on sexual minority women's diverse stressors and daily experiences. They wanted a rationale for providing sensitive information and more space to narrate their experiences. And they recognized the need for affirmative treatment and policies. And together, these findings could inform modifications to daily diary protocols to improve their feasibility and acceptability among trauma-exposed sexual minority women and promote ongoing utility of this valuable method. And researchers should consider our feasibility and acceptability findings, like having intersectional stressors as treatment targets, thinking about structural adherence barriers to longitudinal studies to improve ecological sampling methods or experience sampling method studies with sexual minority women, and develop culturally tailored treatments using these methods, such as just-in-time adaptive interventions. Thank you.